Here's my Greek feta pasta and all the ingredients you'll need. Hi everybody, Diane here in my kitchen on Nicaria. I'm jumping onto a great trend, which is the Greek feta pasta trend. Let's get started. Warm up a little olive oil over medium heat and have about 8 or 9 cloves of garlic ready. I'm adding the garlic to the olive oil. Cook the garlic until soft, careful not to burn it. Next, add the teardrop tomatoes. Shake them back and forth to coat in the oil and add a little sea salt. Cover the pan with the tomatoes, but stir them up every so often. Add a couple of ladlefuls of cooked chopped tomatoes. Canned is fine, but this one is fresh from my garden and homemade. After about 10 or 12 minutes, when the tomato mixture is thick and jammy, add the crumbled Greek feta. Stir it gently until it starts to melt. Next, add hot pepper flakes and a little Greek honey. Next, add a little bit of dried thyme and some Greek oregano. This one's from the garden. Stir it all up gently. And then grate a little bit of lemon zest into the mixture. In the meantime, the pasta should be boiling and almost cooked. And gently fold the pasta into the sauce. You're filming the mixing, right? Yes. Add a little bit of the pasta cooking liquid to loosen up the sauce. And there you have it, Greek feta pasta that's all jammy and delicious and comforting. Wow, this is really good.